All right, so we're going to take a study of nature or animal that transforms and make an gammagraph. You might have made a gammagraph before, but this is or not. But this is just going to be a great medium to show that observation of how an animal can transform over its life and have its life cycle. So the first of all, I'm doing a caterpillar and butterfly because that's like the most obvious choice. So you can't do a caterpillar and butterfly, right? Because that's just right there. I want you to come up with something more creative. You're going to divide your paper into fourths, and you're going to have the animal in the first stage and the animal in the second stage, and just draw the animal. And then in the bottom quarter, you're going to draw where that animal might live, the background for that drawing. Okay, so using your observation skills, really look at a picture of the animal in both phases. And so, like, I've drawn a butterfly a lot before, but I haven't really observed or drawn a caterpillar. So here, this is the image that I'm looking at while I am also drawing and figuring out how to draw a caterpillar, because I don't want to draw like a cartoon, like Hungry Little Caterpillar sort of thing. I want it to look realistic. I'm going for that more scientific approach, right? Because this is a more scientific observation of nature that we're going for. So I'm doing a very careful observational drawing of my animal in the different phases of its life cycle. And then I think I'm going to put my caterpillar also just in some grass here. So just sketching out that my caterpillar will go in grass. All right, so that's what that looks like, all sketched out. Now we're going to make two larger compositions. Okay, so we're doing two drawings. That's what you have to do with this type of artwork. And you want to make sure that your animal really fills the space up, that is going all the way from one end of the paper to the other end of the paper. And I'm just going to show you how I do my caterpillar, and then I'll cut to my butterfly so you can see the end on how that looks. Pencil it out. Take your time. Make mistakes. Erase it. Like when you're drawing, you should be using your eraser as much as you're using your pencil. You can see that even though I'm a full art teacher with lots of drawing experience, like I'm still making mistakes. I'm still erasing. It's okay to make mistakes, right? Just use your tools, your eraser. That's what it's for. That's why we do this in pencil. You don't have to get it perfect, but just try to do the best you can. And then after you draw your animal, draw in some background, and you're going to need, when you color this in, you're going to need to color it in completely, or else the optical illusion won't work. All right, these are my two drawings, and next time we're going to color it in.